That is one big pilot.
If you want to see the process of me spinning these muddy wheels off, then
Stick around.
if you've worked in muddy conditions and you have the dual wheel kit, then you're no stranger to this process. What once was a nearly impossible task is made so much easier with the new dual wheel removal tool. If you don't have one, get one. I was performing a grading job in some pretty messy conditions, and I'll be publishing that video here in the near future. So if you're not already, subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell, and that way you won't miss that new video. Take a look at how much force I have to apply to spin those outer wheels off. What a lifesaver. So I wonder what would work better to get this mud out of here, a screwdriver or an ice cream scoop? Your thoughts in the comments below.
Who's hungry?
Now for those of you who are newer to Ventrac, say within the last year or two, you probably wouldn't know the difference, but this is an old style wheel. And the reason I use these, and for one thing you could tell because the color's different, the new ones are black. The old style wheels did not have valve stems on both sides, and there's a reason I prefer to use the old style. It doesn't have a stem on the inside, so when they get packed with mud like this, I have to spin them off. You don't risk the stems being torn off or damaged. That stuff's got some weight to it. That's got to weigh 10 pounds. If you have a dual wheel kit, this little tool makes removing them a breeze.